Whakaalofa tu mākou. Welcome back. I'm just off to the Niue Champions of Change. Yeah, if you don't know what it is, it's a group to help the Niue community, mainly social workers. Yeah, it's all types of people. It's a bit of who. Just gonna go see what happens. Pick up the youngest guy here. Niue Champions of Change. Alright.
Whakalofa everybody, and welcome to this page that John has set up. My name is Familyviolence. I am the Champions of Change lead for the Ngā Waka team, which sits within the Cause Collective. If you don't know about Cause Collective, you should check us out on the website. But otherwise, the Champions of Change is about holding the space for whakatupuola mo'ui. Whakatupuola mo'ui is your knowledge, and I've got one of your matuas here who's been trailblazing what whakatupuola mo'ui is. So I'm going to hand it over to Mali here to share a little bit about that before I cover off what the Champions of Change is all about. But hand it over to Mali.
Whakatupuola mo'ui is the Niuean conceptual framework for addressing family violence, and it's all based on our Niuean values and beliefs. So we're sitting under the Ngā Waka, and the beauty of it is that it was developed by Niuean people, our Niuean people, and delivered also in the Niuean language, and also English if it needed to be. But sitting under Ngā Waka is, we have a platform. There are 8 other ethnic specific in this whole Ngā Waka o Kainga Tapu, which means that word Ngā Waka o Kainga Tapu means the sacredness of families.
Cool. Beautiful.
So what does that mean when you're out there in the community wanting to champion what whakatupuola means for you? The importance of whakatupuola mo'ui is that it's in you. If you're a Niuean, it's in you, it's in there. But you need mātuas, you need champions to really help you connect what that means for you in your life every day as it is, right? So that's what the Champions of Change is all about. We're about holding that space, inviting all Niueans, young and old, to come into the space, explore, find out, talk to each other. We cannot champion family violence, what that looks like here in Aotearoa, if we can't connect together as people and as people that have an indigenous culture that we all belong to. So I guess in essence it's about, our space is about holding space, and we help our champions to find out what works for their communities. They will design their solutions and they will come up with what works. Our job is just to hold this space and make sure that whatever they dream up of, whatever they come up with, happens. And that's the job of Ngā Waka o Kainga Tapu within the Cause Collective as a trailblazer of social change here in Aotearoa. But otherwise, whakaaue lahi atu, and thank you so much for the opportunity. Malo.
Oh, whakaue lahi. Whoa, there you go. Malo. Whakaalofa tu mākou. So that was the Niue Champions of Change. I hope that explained to you what it's all about. If not, check the website and have a look. Thanks a lot to Hainoame for leading this, the community lead. Malianga Eric, that's my mom. Inga, Jenny and Kendra. Awesome discussions. Looking forward to the next. Haya, to Familyviolence. Whakaalofa tu mākou. Man, this is a different kind of video. I'm looking for Shop Export. It's the name of a company. So I'm trying to send some stuff to Niue. So I want to send some stuff to Niue. Are you the? Yeah. Just my car's back there.
Is it Airfreight or?
Yeah, Airfreight. Yeah.
Airfreight.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you move your car over here so you can? How many feet?
I haven't put it together. I'm not sure. It's just all like yeah, it's loose.
So how do you put that to send it when it's still loose?
Oh yeah, all good. So I'll go put it in a box and then come back here.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all right, bro.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. So got all my crap. I gotta go find a box now, and then I gotta go put it in a box and send it back. First time I'm learning all this crap, so probably go and find somewhere where I can put my crap in. So I'll show you what it looks like.
Yeah, like that.
Alright, we'll fill it here. Vagahau Niue. I'm in Kmart now, looking for some storage boxes. Look at that, guys. Oh, just packing it outside Kmart. Bob's Vagahau Niue. Now I'm back at the stationery warehouse to get some markers so I can mark my the box. Yeah. Stationery markers. Let's see. Hey boss, you got some markers?
Yeah, number 23.
23. Get some markers so I can mark the box. Get some vivids. Never done this before. So I'm just looking for some permanent markers here. There we go. Sharpie. Sellotape so I can sellotape the box so it doesn't look like it's been opened. So when Emmy gets it, it's all good. Now let's have a look. I'm gonna go and mark this box. That was fast. The guy looked at me a bit funny. I think I was too confident when I walked in. All good. Now I'll go back to the box, write it up, and then take it back to the export people. So, packing this in the car now. Did this all in the car. Look at that. Look at that packing. Like a jigsaw. So I just got to fit in these duvets. Two inners, push that one here, push that one here, and voila. I'll try and fit these guys in. See that? Just try and push the air out. But yeah, wish me luck. So how does it work? I just leave it here and then.
Yeah, we move it to Air New Zealand.
Oh yeah.
So you pay for either the kilo or for the volumetric weight.
Okay. Vagahau. Well, that's it. That's how I sent my stuff to Niue. I sent some stuff to Niue via Airfreight, and I did it at the shop export based out in Monaco, Weary, Monaco on Kerrs Road. Yeah, I went through Tony, who was really helpful. Yeah. You know, before I went to take my stuff, I was a little bit anxious because I've never sent anything to Niue via Airfreight before, so I was feeling a bit funny. But Tony was really helpful. just made it look easy. Felt like I was just talking to family, so all he did was he just measured up my little box that I want to send, measured it up, weighed it, and then he just came back with a price. And then once I paid it, just signed one form to say who was going to receive my package in Niue, and then that's it. So I sent it on Monday, and hopefully it gets there on a Tuesday. Yeah, but if not, because there's been a backlog of stuff going to Niue, it might get delayed, because the borders have just opened and now there's more people going on the plane, and now my stuff might just have to wait in line. But all good, it's been done. It wasn't as hard as I thought it was before doing it, and yeah, if I do it again, it's easy. It's easy. Yeah, so that was via Airfreight. He said that they also do containers. If you want to send stuff on the boat, they provide containers, and yeah, the boat goes to Niue once a month, and you just got to get in like maybe 2 weeks early, get your stuff there, so there's no rush. That's a lot cheaper than Airfreight if you want to send something to Niue, and this is totally different. But if you're into Niue taro, they get taro, I'm not sure how often, but they sell sacks of taro and polystyrene bins of coconuts, fresh coconuts. So yeah, that's that. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're ever thinking of sending stuff to Niue, Shop Exports is the one to go to. Tony is the one to deal with. Yeah, that's who I went with, and it was just easy to go with them. So yeah, that's that. Probably the next time I'll be a bit more organized, instead of packing my stuff at Kmart outside in the car park and writing it and sellotaping it up at the Shop Export. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hope it was informative if you're ever thinking of sending stuff. Don't forget, wanimoke, like, comment, subscribe, and koe kia to Familyviolence. Whakalawhatu mākou. Welcome back. I'm back at the osteopath for a checkup, regular session. Just get a few massages and clicks. Yeah, just keeping that maintenance up, so I'll catch you up after, see how it goes, and I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, to Familyviolence. Oh wow, back. Finished my session. That took about, about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. It was awesome, it was good. Man, my body definitely feels better. Feel less tight, restricted, less restriction, yeah. Me and osteopath, that's the chiropractor and physio combined. So he's given me an extra exercise to do just to keep my body working well and everything aligned. And yeah, man, if you can afford it, it's totally worth it. It's $45 per session with ACC. But yeah, if you can't afford it, all good, man. But yeah, if you can, man, I'll totally go. Alright, we'll catch up to Familyviolence.